Good morning, dear students. In your previous class, you have already read the chapter Unpleasant Experiences. Today, through this video, we would try to understand the chapter more clearly. Dear students, in our lives, we may face some enjoyable or some troublesome experiences. We love to talk about all the fun we had, but we usually don't talk about the things which are unpleasant, which are causing discomfort. But it is very, very important for all of us to share our problems and bad experiences with our parents. Now let us try to understand this chapter based on such kind of experiences faced by students of class 5. Children of class 5 were waiting for their favorite teacher, Mrs. Ira. They were waiting eagerly for her because this was the last period before the vacations. And as the teacher entered the class, they asked her to give them this period as a free period. But Ira ma'am decided to use that period for talking about one very, very important topic. She asked the children about the things which they were scared of. One of the boys, Varun, said that he was afraid of Gila monster. It's a kind of lizard. So ma'am said, yes, there are many people who are afraid of reptiles. Then Meenu said that she was afraid when a stranger followed her from bus stop to her house because that day nobody had come to pick her up from the bus stop. She told about this incident to her mother, who in turn informed the security guard. And from then on, her mother was never late to pick her up. Ira ma'am nodded her head and said that it is not bad to feel afraid. All the children were surprised. She said, because if we are afraid, we get a warning that we should get some help from someone who is elder. She also added that Meenu had told her mother. In turn, her mother had taken immediate action. Then she asked the class if they have ever faced any such pleasant or uncomfortable experiences. Many children raised their hands. Some said they were afraid of spiders, some said of lizards, some said of ghosts or haunted houses. Then one of the boys from the class said that he did not like being touched. And he also told that he has a cousin who tickles him very hard. And if he protests, he calls him her crybaby. And even the elders are not understanding his situation, that he doesn't like being tickled. Ira ma'am suggested that he should talk about this incident with his parents and maybe they will understand his situation. And hearing Shrey's incident, Megha also shared her experience. And she said that she has an uncle who's very kind-hearted. But when he tries to kiss her, she doesn't like being kissed by him. Ira ma'am said some of her relatives or friends might try to kiss or hug us to show us that they feel good about us. But we should not let them do so if we don't like. Ira ma'am also said that it is really important that we should tell about our secrets to our parents. We should not hide or shy away from telling our parents about things that disturb us. We should talk about these things with our parents at all cost. And if we feel confused or uncomfortable then about someone's touching us, then immediately tell our elders. And there shouldn't be anybody who tell us to keep secrets from our parents. And one more important thing which Ira ma'am told the class was that we should always tell our parents about our whereabouts, that about our location. If we are going out to play, we should always inform our parents that where we are playing in the evening, or if we are going somewhere, then we should always inform our parents or someone elder in our house. And if a friend tells you to keep secret, then he is not your friend. After hearing all these incidents and suggestion of Ira ma'am, many children spoke about their own incidents and they felt very secure after that. And they also came to know that they alone were not facing such situation. There were many people who were facing such situation. After this, the class was very quiet and they were in thinking mood and the bell rang for the vacations. Thank you.